Hi, Nick from TVape here. Today we have an innovative new product from Tronian, which is known for their budget-friendly vaporizers, the Omegatron. If they didn't want me to say it that way, they should have called it something else. The Omegatron is a vapor cup that is compatible with wax or 510 threaded cartridges. It is a cup of vapor. It fills up with vapor in a cup and you drink it. I did another review on the Zenko Duo. You can go check that out where I make lots of jokes about drinking vapor, but I'm not gonna repeat them here. Vapor cups are a really cool new way to vaporize. It's a cup. It fills with vapor. It's really cool to look at, very visually pleasing. And it's fun to, drink something that really you're supposed to be breathing. Just a quick little fact about me, I was born with small gills, so I actually breathe stuff you're supposed to drink all the time. I used to travel around the country in a freak show, but I gave it up. It became too corporate. It used to be about the freaks, Beginners to vapor cups might need to grasp. All right, so to get things started, let's talk about the Omegatron and how it works and what its capabilities are. The Omegatron is a vapor cup. So unlike an e-rig or a wax pen, the Omegatron is a, drumroll please, cup. It's a cup. None of those things that I just mentioned are cups. This is a literal cup, like a cup that you drink from. To get started, turn on the power switch. That seems pretty obvious. You use the button at the bottom of the base to select your voltage, and the LED color, depending on what color it is, will identify what voltage you have selected. You then add your wax very carefully to the heating chamber, or alternatively, you can screw in a 510 threaded cartridge. You then just apply gentle pressure to the glass. There's 3 small buttons between the glass and the base, and as you push on them, vapor will then begin to fill your cup. Once your cup fills with the amount of vapor you're looking for, you stop pressing down, you pick that thing up, and you just drink it like you would a glass of water or whatever beverage that you so choose. One thing that's great about the Omegatron is it offers some variation in temperature flexibilities. There are 4 preset temperatures you can set the Omegatron to, and that is indicated, as mentioned before, by the different colors of LED lights. Green is 2.8 volts, yellow is 3.2 volts, dark orange is 3.6 volts, red is 4 volts. Look, I gotta tell you this stuff. It's part of the process of reviewing these devices, but gun to your head, can you actually tell me what 3.2 volts is? Do you really know? Does it matter? It's enough, it has different voltages, and you use the voltages. The point is there's different voltages, and as with all of these devices, the lower temperature will provide you with better flavor. The higher temperature will provide you with denser vapor. That's the same on all of these devices. I will keep telling you, but please just write it down. What really sets the Omegatron apart in this category is its introduction of its unique glass core heating element, which ensures even vaporization that is flavor dense. It really is a very innovative mechanism. It eliminates hotspots, so the entire surface is the same heat, and that provides balanced heat, which gives you very good, dense flavor. Have you ever tried to cook an egg on a frying pan where some parts of the frying pan are hotter than other parts of the frying pan, and it really fucks up your egg, and therefore your breakfast, and therefore your day, and before you know it, you're looking back as an old man thinking, man, if I just got that egg cooked right, maybe things would have been different. Well, it's nothing like that, but it's kind of like that. And if you want, you can always switch over to the triple helix heating element, which is included with the Omegatron and comes standard in all other vapor cups on the market. Another standout feature, the heating element cover, which will minimize the plastic smell mixing with your vapor. Plus, it opens up exciting possibilities for experimenting with different flavors. You can add citrus slices, mint, and varying other things to change the flavor profile of the vapor. While the Omegatron might not be as sexy as other devices, it will do things other girls just won't do, am I right? You know what I'm talking about. It's about function, not aesthetics. It's geared towards providing a very straightforward and intuitive experience, and also giving you high quality vapor and value for your money. And the materials itself are also very high quality. There's stainless steel in the vapor path, which preserves and makes the vapor more of a pure flavor. Other devices that are in this category usually feature an open heating chamber, which is not isolated from plastic components. And if for some reason all of the high quality materials that I've been telling you about should fail, it comes with a hassle-free warranty, so you can just send it away for a new one if anything happens to it. So you can test the limits on this thing. Take it inside a volcano, take it up to the stratosphere, take it to Detroit. If you survive all those things and the Omegatron doesn't, then they'll send you a new one. And the fact that with the Omegatron, it's got a push button cup that fills the cup up with vapor makes it really, really intuitive and easy to use. Other vapor cups have push buttons, but those buttons don't have any feedback. I've got 2 words for a feedbackless button. Hey man, why don't you get some feedback already? It's a little more words, I don't know, it's like 10 words. It's like 10 words. It was like 10 words. But it's, yeah, gets the point across. The push to vape function, as well as the ability to drop in terpene-rich fruits into the cup, gives you a chance to make all kinds of interesting combinations. It's a lot of fun, and you can use it with your friends and at a party and have a great time. The Omegatron is powered by a 3150 mAh lithium-ion battery. It's heavy duty, and it will ensure that you can have long sessions with this thing. So you and your friends can use it for a very, very long time. Long time is the point. It's very long and hefty. With the convenience of USB-C charging, you can quickly charge the device. It'll go from 0 to 100% in about 100 minutes. For you math whizzes out there, that's about 1% a minute. And if you didn't already figure that out, I'm not actually sure how you followed anything I've said up until this point. It has a powerful heating mechanism, and it's coupled with the best class in battery at the time of making this video. Although we all know how technology works, and by the time you see this video, we could be 10 generations of battery deeper. We could be fighting apes on horseback for batteries to dominate the batteries in a battery-dominant world. At this point in time in the video, I assume that you are very aware now of how easy this thing is to use. It's got a very clear power button at the bottom, and the glass is dishwasher friendly. Its smart LED light system ensures that you're always going to know what temperature setting you're at based on what color the light is. You can use wax or wax cartridges. It's very straightforward, 510 threaded cartridges. You just screw it right into the base the way you would do with any 510 wax cartridge. People who use vape pens will be very familiar with this process. Also, people who've screwed things in before. It's screwing something in, you'll figure it out. So, what is the overall experience of the Tronian Omegatron? Well, it is all about ease of use, impressive battery life, and remarkable vapor quality. And at the time of making this video, it is one of the best vapor cups on the market. It's also a really cool, fun thing to have at a party. You can set up the Omegatron on your bar table next to some different citrus fruits, mint leaves, thyme leaves, and then people can play around with different flavor combinations, and it gives your guests a really unique experience. Or you can just set it up on a Tuesday night, use it by yourself. The possibilities are endless. Well, really, those are the 2 possibilities that exist with slight variations, but, you know, still a lot of possibilities. Nothing is endless. Not time, not your life. Everything comes to an end. It is a very user-friendly approach to the vapor cup category, and its innovation sets it apart. So if you're looking for a hassle-free, enjoyable vapor experience, the Omegatron should be on your radar. And now it's time for what's in the box. And since this part can be pretty boring, I promise if you don't click away, I will show you my tits. I was just promptly told I'm not allowed to show you my tits. But what I'll do is I'll just show you a picture of everything that's in the box, and also at the same time play a video of this guy absolutely killing it at an arcade basketball game. So that's it for my review on the Tronian Omegatron. If I left anything out or you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate when you guys do that. It helps us out a lot. You can also look at my own personal YouTube channel at Nick Beaton Comedy for all of my content. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, keep vaping.